Cancer, a deadly disease to be precise, is a disease in which some of the body cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the human body, which is made up of trillions of cells. Normally, human cells grow and multiply. That is through a process called cell division to form a new cells as the body needs them. When cells grow old or become damaged, they die and new cells take their place. Sometimes this orderly process breaks down and abnormal or damaged cells grow and multiply when they shouldn't. These cells may form tumors, which are lumps of tissues. Tumors can be cancerous or not cancerous. Cancerous tumors spread into or invade nearby tissues and can travel to distant places in the body to form new tumors. That is a process called metastasis. Many questions people ask is that how does cancer develop? How does cancer develop? Okay, so cancer is caused by certain changes to genes, the basic physical unit of inheritance. Genes are arranged in long strands of tightly packed DNA called chromosomes. Cancer is a genetic disease. That is, it is caused by change to genes that control the way our cells function, especially how they grow and divide. Genetic changes that cause cancer can happen because of errors that occur as cells divide. That is one. Because of damage to DNA caused by harmful substances in the environment, such as the chemical in tobacco smoke and ultraviolet rays from the sun. That is 2. And 3, because they were inherited from our parents. But the body normally eliminates cells with damaged DNA before they turn cancerous, but the body's ability to do so goes down as we age. This is part of the reasons why there is a higher risk of cancer later in life. Each person's cancer has a unique combination of genetic changes. As the cancer continues to grow, additional changes will occur. Even within the same tumor, different cells may have different genetic changes. Fundamentals of cancer. How does cancer form? People ask, how does cancer forms? I will share with you 10 fundamentals of cancer and you know how cancer is formed. 1. Cancer is a disease caused when cells divide uncontrollably and spread into surrounding tissues. As you can see on your screens, we have the normal cells and the cancer cells. Have you seen at first the normal cells was perfect, but you can see the disruption caused by the cancer cells. Have you seen on your screen the normal cell is okay and the cancer cell is abnormal, so it results in abnormal growth of normal cells into abnormal cells. 2. Cancer is caused by changes to DNA. Most cancer-causing DNA changes occur in sections of DNA called genes. These changes are also called genetic changes. As you can see on your screens, we have the normal coding of the DNA and we have the abnormal coding of the DNA, which you see on your screen. The normal coding of the DNA is marked in colors and the abnormal one is marked in black, as you see on your screen. 3. A DNA change can cause genes involved in normal cell growth to become oncogenes. Unlike normal genes, oncogenes cannot be turned off, so they cause uncontrolled cell growth. 4. In normal cells, Tumor suppressor genes prevent cancer by slowing or stopping cell growth. DNA changes that inactivate tumor suppressor genes can lead to uncontrolled cell growth and cancer, as you see on your screen. 5. Within a tumor, cancer cells are surrounded by a variety of immune cells, fibroblasts, molecules, and blood vessels, what's known as the tumor microenvironment. Cancer cells can change the microenvironment, which in turn can affect how cancer grows and spread, as you're watching on your screen. 6. Immune system cells can detect and attack cancer cells, but some cancer cells can avoid detection or thwart an attack. Some cancer treatments can help the immune system better detect and kill cancer cells. Each person's cancer has a unique combination of genetic changes. Specific genetic changes may make a person's cancer more or less likely to respond to certain treatment. As you see on your screen, each person has different coding or different arrangement of alleles on its genes, so it may result or allow them more or less respond to certain treatment. 8. Genetic changes that cause cancer can be inherited or arise from certain environmental exposures such as UV radiation, chemicals, viruses, smoking, cell division. Also, genetic changes can happen because of errors that occur as cells divide. 9. Most often, cancer-causing genetic changes accumulate slowly as a person ages, leading to higher risk of cancer later in life. So as you age, you may develop cancer cells, or you have a higher risk of developing cancer cells since the cells and tissues are also aging. 10. Cancer cells can break away from the original tumor and travel through the blood or lymph system to distant locations in the body, where they exit the vessels to form additional tumors. This is called metastasis. Thank you for watching the video to the end, and kindly subscribe to my channel for amazing content. Bye bye.